Today at Southern Manufacturing, I'm on the Hurco stand. I'm joined by Ian. Now, Ian, you've got two machines that you're exhibiting this week. Tell me about the machines.
Yeah, we've got our VM10 3-axis mill, conversational control, 760mm travelling axe, 406 in Y and 500 in Z. Conversational control, very popular machine.
And the TMA tie?
Yeah, TMA tie is our new lathe, 2-axis at the moment. Conversational control again, 8-inch chuck.
Now, the first thing that really stands out for me is the floor space, how compact these two machines are. You know, is that something, a big selling point for you guys?
Yeah, it is. A lot of manufacturers, they're tight on space. I mean, the VM10 is in footprint 2 by 2 meters. It fits in really well for the size of the workplace there.
I mean, the working envelope is quite large, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, it utilises the travels on the machine to the size.
Now, the software, it's a conversational software. Can you give me a little bit of details about this software, please?
Yeah, the conversation control, you can basically go back and forth with your questions to the machine, create your program very, very quickly, do your roughing, you can start roughing your parts. Then you start doing your finish profile while the machine's still running. By the time you finish your program, you almost finish your first part. Then if it's right, you just carry on through, you can carry on production parts.
Does this run along with the TMA tie too? Is this the same programming language?
It's the same principle now between the lathes and the mills. The same software, same controller.
Now, the lathe for you guys is relatively new. I think it got launched last March. What kind of success are you having with it?
Yeah, I mean, we've sold a number of machines in the last 2 years. They're out in the marketplace, they've been running well.
Now, you've been running special promotions on this week. Can you tell me about them promotions and any future promotions that you've got in store?
Well, for Southern Manufacturing, we've been selling these two machines at ex-demo prices. We're now getting ready for MAC. We're going to have about 11 machines there, and I'm sure there will be promotions around them.